हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम आपके लिए बीएड थर्ड सेमेस्टर के फोर्थ पेपर जिसका टाइटल है जेंडर स्कूल एंड सोसाइटी, इस पेपर के आंसर की लेकर आए हैं। आप हमारे साथ एंड तक बने रहिए और आप आंसर की चेक कीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ऑन आंसर ए 8 मार्च। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, हाउ मेनी राइट्स हैव बीन गिवन टू वुमेन आंसर ए 5। Question number 3, when was the scheme of Kasturba Gandhi Balika Vidyalaya started? Answer A 2004. Question number 4, give me an educated mother, I shall promise you the birth of a civilized, educated nation. Answer C Napoleon. Question number 5, the term gender has originated from the Latin word genus which means answer C type. Question number 6, gender equality can be brought through political and legal reform is the belief held by which of group feminist? Answer B liberal feminism. Question number 7, the physiological differences between male and female is termed as answer B sex. Question number 8, sexuality is affected by answer C both A and B. Question number 9, agent of gender socialization. Answer A teach us to treat both gender as equals. Question number 10, co-educational school. Answer C promote gender equality. Question number 11, gender norms are often constructed by society to answer A follow tradition. Question number 12, teachers should teach gender issues sensitivity by answer D all of the above. Question number 13, social structure that institutionalize male physical, social and economic power over women is known as answer C patriarchy. Number 14, ignoring or failing to address the gender dimensions is called answer B gender blind. Question number 15, National Commission Women's Education was set up under the recommendation of answer A Deshmukh Committee. Question number 16, a process of being fair to man and woman is answer B gender equity. Question number 17, prohibition against sex determination was first articulated in United Nations Charter in and answer B 1945. Question number 18, which of the following is the correct about Article 39D? Answer C ensure equal pay for equal work. Question number 19, the word patriarchy literally means answer C the rule of father or the patriarch. Question number 20, according to feminist, following is the responsible for women's subordinate position. Answer A relationship between patriarchy and gender. Question number 21, boys are always good at mechanic and girls are good at embroidery represent. Answer D gender stereotype. Question number 22, which of the following is not an effective practice adopted by a teacher in the classroom to address gender stereotype? Answer A counter gender bias. Question number 23, preference or prejudice towards one gender over the other is termed as answer C gender bias. Question number 24, for working towards gender equality in the classroom, which strategy is correct? Answer A inclusive language. Question number 25, intersectionality is a term that was coined by dash in 1989. Answer A Crenshaw. Question number 26, which type of feminism critiqued the values of enlightenment? Answer D postmodern. Question number 27, which 5-year plan emphasizes on women development by constitutional safeguards like poverty rights, Hindu Succession Act? Answer D 10th. Question number 28, full form of NCW? Answer C National Commission for Women. Question number 29, article of the Constitution prohibits any discrimination on the basis of sex. Answer D 15. Question number 30, according to Freud, gender identity developed during the dash stage of development. Answer A phallic. Question number 31, child rearing is answer C both. Question number 32, women in India are discriminated in. Answer D all of the above. Question number 33, India signed the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women in answer A 1980. Question number 34, the National Policy for the Empowerment of Women was passed. Answer D 2001. Question number 35, the book's Second Sex was authored by answer C Simon de Beauvoir. Question number 36, in which year was the Ministry of Women and Child Development established as a department under the Ministry of Human Resource Development? Answer C 1985. Question number 37. Gender discrimination can be removed. Answer D. All of the above. Question number 38. IWRAW stands for. Answer B. International Women's Rights Action Watch. Question number 39. Which of the following is the cause of gender inequality? Answer D. All of the above. Question number 40. A person's sexual and emotional attraction to people of the same gender is called. Answer B. Homosexuality. Question number 41. Which among the following is a socially constructed phenomena that shift and changes over time? Answer D. All of the above. Question number 42. Women's Component Plan was initiated in which 5-year plan? Answer D. 9th 5-year plan. Question number 43. Women studies become an academic discipline during? Answer A. Second wave feminism. Question number 44. National Commission for Women was set up in Answer D. 1992. Question number 45. Both gender and sex are? Answer C. Different. Question number 46. What are the genders in Sanskrit language? Answer D. All of the above. Question number 47. Pitrasatta is the Hindi adaptation of which word of the English language? Answer B. Patriarchy. Question number 48. Patriarchy means? Answer B. Father rule. Question number 49. Feminism is based on? Answer A. On women's liberation. Question number 50. Which word represents social discrimination? Answer B. Gender. Question number 51. The reason for gender disparity is? Answer D. All of the above. Question number 52. The special scheme launched for women's development and empowerment is? Answer D. All of the above. Question number 53. Gender the costume, a mask, a straight jacket in which man and woman dance with this unequal dance. Whose statement is this? Answer A. Gardner. Question number 54. The consequences of gender differences are? Answer D. All of the above. Question number 55. Who is considered as the father of feminism in India? Answer D. Savitribai Phule. Question number 56. The basic principle of women empowerment is? Answer D. All of the above. Question number 57. Social movements are collective enterprises to establish a new order of life. Who said this? Answer A. Herbert Blumer. Question number 58. Who founded the Brahmo Samaj? Answer B. Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Question number 59. When was the Theosophical Society established? Answer A. 17 November 1875. Question number 60. When was the first World Conference held in Mexico City to consider the status of women? Answer B. 1975. Question number 61. When the Dowry Prohibition Act was passed by the Center to improve the status of women in India? 1961. Number 62. In which article of the Constitution provision has been made for women to get maternity assistance? इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर में आर्टिकल 15, आर्टिकल 41, 42 ये तीनों ही आर्टिकल मैटरनिटी असिस्टेंस के बारे में बात करते हैं. तो हम देखेंगे कि यूनिवर्सिटी किसको मांग रही है. आर्टिकल हमारे अकॉर्डिंग बी और ए दोनों इसमें मेंशन है, तो आप बताइएगा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 63. द फर्स्ट एजुकेशन कमीशन ऑफ द इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया वाज? आंसर ए. राधा कृष्णन कमीशन. Question number 64. The time of secondary education commission was? Answer B. 1952-53. Question number 65. Article related to child rights is? Answer D. All of the above. Question number 66. When was the Beti Bachao Beti Padhao scheme started? Answer A. 22 Jan 2015. Question number 67. According to 2011 census, female literacy rate is? Answer A. 65.46 rate. Question number 68. Child abuse includes? Answer D. All of the above. Question number 69. Which commission presented its suggestions at all levels of education? Answer A. Kothari Commission. Question number 70. Vedic period education used to start from? Answer C. Upnayan Sanskar. Question number 71. Education is the imparting of knowledge, skill and discipline of the character. Whose statement is? Answer D. John Dewey. Question number 72. Education is a two-way process. Whose statement is this? Answer A. Adams. Question number 73. Social mobility is the movement of individuals or groups from one social stratum to another. Whose statement is this? Answer A. Sorokin. Question number 74. Social change means? Answer C. Change in social structure. Question number 75. India has been since the beginning? आंसर बी मेल डोमिनेटेड कंट्री। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग, और आप हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करें आंसर की चेक करने के बाद, और कमेंट भी करें, शेयर भी करें अपने दोस्तों में और सारे ग्रुप्स में शेयर करें। थैंक यू।